Hello. Victoria, nice to meet you.
Hello. We're here with Rubric and Mahia. Cara is here also. So. Yes, sir. Represent. Yeah.
Woody's rolling around with a 2-liter of Mountain Dew. He's gonna be like,
He's ready for the day.
Key landmarks that help tell the history of DC and the history of the U.S. Welcome everyone to the White House. This is the office of the President of the United States.
Philippines in the
From
house.
Manila to DC.
Yeah.
So, welcome to the National Mall and to the Capitol. So this is the U.S. Capitol building. This is where Congress is.
We can look for it. I'm not sure it's like.
Yes! 2 days pa lang ako, nagkaka-accent na ako.
you don't need to translate, bro.
2 days pa lang ako dito,
I got it.
Accent.
got it already. Have you got anything else, you know? And I said, no.
Alright. Okay.
What's up, man?
We up in here.
Welcome to the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. Our way across the entire National Mall. If you can see on the other side there, that's the Capitol. Now to the other end, to the Lincoln Memorial.
Uh-oh. Big corn chips in my teeth. You're good, you're good.
No, really not. So I want to pass it on. I want to pass the knowledge that I know to guide people that know. And also for
Yeah! Sorry, excuse me. Corn chips in my teeth.
Bang tayo. We got change. This is the change.
You got your game face on.
25 cents. So this is over.
Yeah.
Tara, pizza tayo. Libre ko.
Tara, pizza tayo. Libre ko.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tara, pizza tayo. Libre ko?
Morning, Kane.
That's all I was
Good
gonna
morning.
say. What?
First day of classes.
Got to.
Coffee. We're vibing out. Mabuhay. Bienvenido. Bienvenido. Oh, what's the name? So what's the name? Jorge.
Jorge. Where's the
Hello, my friend, yours?
Jorge? Hey, girl.
Okay.
So this is Meridian International Center. They do a lot of programs. Next level is just like one.
This will be our classroom.
I think this is kind of like a shallow example, maybe like on a surface level.
Lunch break na, tapos yung first session namin in the morning, content transformation. Sobrang busog sa knowledge. Yeah, introduce yourself quickly.
I'm Magia from Chile. I run graffiti and I like to mix up the power of the language with the spirituality. Everyone can make art, know ourselves, expressing. And I'm so happy to be here. Yeah, first time in the US.
What up, girl?
Hello. Such a strange girl.
What do you want? What do you want? Tacos or salad?
Huh?
Tacos or salad? What
I
do you
know.
want?
Tacos.
Okay, it's enough for me.
Fish and shrimp. That's for you to go. Anything else? For here. So you want it with everything?
My people from Amsterdam.
Diego, nice to meet you.
Latoya. He's a rapper. He's just playing games.
No, I'm not playing games.
And I'm a DJ.
DJ.
But still, I'm very hot.
Shoulders.
And shoulder tap 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 and ta da da. Hey. Perfect.
That's yours. Come on.
Oh,
Okay. There's another. There's
Little
a.
sister.
There's another. Who wants? Does someone want a? You want one?
Het was niet zo vraag van doe het. Het vroeg gewoon aan. En dan zou je nee zeggen.
Say it now.
Ja.
I'm going to.
Lunch break.
That's so cold.
Super cold.
Break.
Maybe if you acting good, I can leave. Thanks.
Post class vibes. Classroom namin for today. This is the library.
Coffee. They'll say coffee.
Coffee. Oh, just like Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, Nicki Minaj, right?
She's like,
I think I'm gonna get some coffee. Coffee.
I taught him something.
I taught him
I
something.
taught you everything I know. You know what I'm saying?
Lunch with the crew.
I know that's a cat.
Oh, you like the camera? Huh? Oh. Bye. Bye. Shake hands. No, shake hands. Oh, bye bye.
No, Leo, where you going, Bubba? Come on. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I totally forget.
This is the building.
Oh, you were so equipped. 2 cameras. Come on.
It's like battle of the videographers or some shit.
Why do you do that, huh?
I'm trying to generate a panel. 3 cameras. Oh, I got double. I W'd. Look, it was on a panoramic, but you got 2 of you.
This is like the Spider-Man bit where it's like
Yeah.
you. Wait.
Our military.
General George Washington, low on manpower.
Full-size bed-size loft. Okay. Right, where I guess the parents would squeeze in a little loft area. Yeah. And
Thank you guys so much. Welcome.
Tickets.
beach.
Utah's sports area. Ah, the GOAT. There is only one Michael Jordan.
A third form that emerged in the 19th century. Jigs are dances that push out energy and velocity.
And then
I don't want to play this anymore. Oh, I don't want to play this anymore.
oh, you mean like that comes out of your nose?
Oh,
That's hot.
That's right.
Hello, I'm AC from Philippines.
Yes. It's so exciting to have all of these folks from around the world. You guys are the kinds of people we love working with and meeting because we really appreciate the work of artists who are working in community and making a difference that way and using their art and their creativity to change things, to connect people. And I know that's what you all do. So cool that you came to visit.
Here at the Center for Folklife and Cultural Heritage, one of the foundational phrases that are associated with the center is thinking about culture of, by, and for the people. A lot of that work comes from what began in 1967. Imagine the people that you know from your communities have that type of cultural exchange with the public.
You don't keep it on hook until the short shit. You got MCCs on the microphone. I never ever leave the bass alone.
While we were in the conference room acknowledging the work of the record label and commercial availability of recordings, one of the key components of what happens here is the mail order space. And what you're looking at with each of these LPs is that these are all record labels that were either acquired by Smithsonian Folkways that they can make commercially available, and then other parts of this reference collection are just overlap with the recordings that Folkways makes available. Okay.
Yeah,
It doesn't have that dungeon look anymore.
Whoa.
18,000 compact audio cassettes. So this is a particular box that includes recordings of Cape Verde music, gingerbread and strudel. That sounds nice to me. What I've got in these boxes is the production materials. So this would have been pasted onto the original LP. We actually have about 25% of the entire Smithsonian's holdings of audio-visual media. Next time you can see to New York and wherever you're going to go from there, keep us in mind and keep making the connections.
Thank you.
Thank you. Much love.
Thank you.
Thank you, Greg.
No order, mami.
¿Es posible este pabellón, pero sin carne?
Con carne asada.
¿Puede ser con queso?
With a lot of cilantro in it.
Right. And how about the cheese?
Cheese, yes please.
Chicken. That's the one with rice, right?
Yes.
I get the
Pavillon comes
chicken.
with rice. Yeah.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Thank you so much.
That shit is crazy. You guys did a great job.
Extra cilantro's on your tacos.
Yay.
Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy. How you doing?
Can we have a little bit of Irish talking?
Okay.
Friend here. What's the matter with you?
What's the matter with you?
What's the matter with you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Good me.
Anong problema mo?
Anong problema mo?
Anong problema mo?
Ano problema mo? Ano problema mo?
Lalafahan na naman.
Ano problema mo? ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa?
Hey, Cardi B. Cardi B.
Stop with that.
No, net. I almost started talking in Dutch.
Oh, just go. I can understand, bro.
Oké.
Alright.
Ik heb het erg naar mijn zin.
Actually, ayun nga yun eh, yung sinasabi ko.
Ja, toch, ja, toch.
Naintindihan mo, no?
Ja.
Gets mo, diba?
Gaan we wat eten?
Gutom ka na.
Ja. Lafa tayo.
I told you. Okay, are we having a video battle? Is that what we're having?
That's exactly what we're...
Oh. 1 point for me. 2 points for me. Oh, 3 points for me. That's an uppercut. Oh, oh, you got me. Oh, oh.
Actually worked quite well.
I wasn't expecting that.
That's good.
Ophelia, it's your turn.
My turn.
What's that? Oh, your turn. My point of view. I'm a right-handed.
All right, okay.
Oh! 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 Like this, Sophia. Control. Oh, yeah. Uno más.
The shoes, it's so small.
We're with Miss Jill. Hi. We are here. You did it.
We did it.
You did it.
We did it.
We all did it. We all did it.